these flowers. Okay, uh, maturity indices of some flowers. Okay, uh, first of all, some important cut flowers and the loose flowers. As we know, the flowers having a very good aesthetic value as well as cultural value. For rose, carnation, gerbera, anthurium, chrysanthemum, marigold. Then some other flowers which are used which is used in our daily life for garnishing purpose, for decoration purpose, and for the workshop. Okay, the flowers are used many times for giving a token of love to someone, yeah, or the hospitalized person. We using the bouquet. Okay, and for the preparation of this bouquet we need the cut flowers. First of all, we clear the concept about the what is meant by cut flowers and the loose flowers. Cut flowers means the flowers which is used for the decorative purpose and for the preparation of bouquet and various flower arrangement. Okay, and the loose flowers means what? The loose flowers are those which are used for the preparation of these garland, worship, gazra, veni. For that purpose we are using these loose flowers. Okay, for rose also we are using these loose flowers. In case of this marigold, zai, zui, various fragrant flowers are also used as a loose flower for the preparation of gazra, veni, and the garland purpose or the decoration purpose. Okay, for other than these, the important cut flower is the rose. Okay, in this picture you can see the typical maturity indices of these rose flowers. Okay, so rose having a many colors, right from red, dark red, pink, yellow, then white. So according to color of these flower, the harvesting stage or the maturity indices is change, which is mainly based on this color type. Okay, so the red and the pink flowers are harvested at the stage when first two petals are beginning to unfold and the calyx are in downward position. This picture typically shown that the uh, flower having the one or two petal or first two petals are beginning to unfold. Okay, and this calyx, this green portion is known as the calyx. This calyx is um, downward position or perpendicular to the this pedicel. This is the pedicel or the stem, and this calyx is perpendicular this pedicel. Okay, and the color of these bird is fully matured or fully development of the red color. Okay, in yellow cultivars, this harvesting done slightly earlier than red and the pink cultivars. When the yellow colored flowers are harvested, the these calyx are not too open, and the color is not developed at that stage. These rose is yellow colored cultivars are harvested. Next is the flowers of small flowered and floribunda roses are cut when they just begin to open in a clusters. We know that the flowers, typically the rose flowers having the 4 to 5 types. Okay, Rosa indica, Rosa floribunda. Okay, Rosa miniature. These are the some types of these rose flowers. So according to that, the harvesting or the maturity indices is going to be changed. These flowers of floribunda means Rosa floribunda and the Rosa miniature. This type of cultivars are harvested when the flowers are open in a clusters. Means on the stem or the flowering stem, the flowers, rose flowers are started to opening at a same time. Okay, means cluster of flowers are begin begin to open in a cluster. At that time the flowers are harvested. In case of these loose flowers used for the garland and worshipping or for the preparing of the perfumes, harvested when they are the fully open. Mainly these loose flowers are used for the worship and the garland purpose, means various preparation of gazra and the veni. Another use of these loose flowers is the preparation of perfumes, preparation of processed product like your attar, gulab jal, gulab pani, then rose essence, rose oil. These are the processed product which is prepared from these loose flowers. Okay, so at that time, if we are preparing any product from this rose, it will be in its full bloom or fully open. At that time we can harvest these loose flowers in case of rose. Then next is the harvesting of rose flowers. 15 to 120 centimeter stem length cut should be always be above the healthy outward pointing but with the clean sharp seccator. When the for cut flowers, if we are harvesting the rose flowers for the purpose of exporting or for the preparation of bouquet, so we have to consider the 15 to 120 centimeter stem length. It is a very must and the essential stage of harvesting. Okay, so we have to keep this 15 to 120 centimeter stem length, and the sharp seccator cut is given to the this stem. Okay, immediately after the harvesting, immersed into the water for a 2 to 3 hours for the conditioning. After the harvesting, these rose stems are placed in a bucket containing a full of cool water. We have to uh, place that rose into the bucket. Okay, for the cushioning purposes. Okay, then prepare a 50 flowers bundle kept in a bucket full of water for the conditioning. The flowers picked in early in the evening and allowed to soak overnight in a water. If we are cutting the flowers in the evening, so we have to place these water for overnight in a bucket for the conditioning purpose. If the flowers are picked in a morning, are kept in a water at least for a hours. Okay, so according to that, conditioning is given to the rose or harvested rose flowers. And these are the some secators or the types of the knife or secator used for the cutting purposes. The next flower is the carnation. For the long distance transportation, the standard carnation harvested at the paintbrush stage. Please remind this paintbrush stage for your examination or for filling the blanks. This question is mainly asked. In case of rose, the harvesting stage is the tied bud stage, but in case of this carnation, it is a paintbrush stage. This is a typical paintbrush stage. Okay, at this stage we can harvest the flowers. In case of this spray carnation, are harvested when two flowers are to open and remaining buds are showing the color. In this picture you can see this first flower is begin to open. Okay, and these remaining two other flowers are remaining two unopened, but the showing the full color. Okay, at that time we can harvest the spray carnation. Again, in carnation having a 2 to 3 types: carnation, spray carnation, single carnation, then standard carnation. Okay, according to the type of cultivar we can harvest this carnation. The base life of this carnation is 7 to 15 days. Means base life means what? Shelf life means how much or how many days these carnation are having the life. Okay, if it is used for the cut flower purposes or the preparation of this bouquet, the base life of carnation is high. Okay, means the 7 to 15 days. Okay, if the harvesting in the morning hours when they are turgid cut with the sharp knife. So for the harvesting purposes, we have to consider the only morning time or the late in the evening, because the temperature affects the harvesting or the shelf life or the base life of the flowers. Okay. And like the rose flowers, the sharp cut given to the stem length, a stem of this carnation. Cut should be smooth to avoid the injury of the to the stem. Okay. After harvesting cut, stem should be placed in a clean water for the conditioning purposes. Okay. Then harvesting and the yield. Standard type flowers harvested when their outer petals start to be elongate outside the calyx. This is called as a typical paintbrush stage. Okay. uh, Means this flower or this cut flowers, standard type of flowers, is ready for the harvesting. In case of the spray type flowers harvested with 2 to 3 open flowers on each stem, in this spray type the flowers are comes in a cluster form. Okay, this in this picture you can see this carnation having a 2 to 3 or more than 3 to 4 flowers on a single stem. Okay. They are appearing in a cluster form. So at that time the first flower is begin to fully open, and another flowers are begin to open, but the color of petals are fully developed. At that time this can be harvested. In the standard type, 300 to 350 flowers per plant, or per meter square, or the 8 to 12 flowers per plant can be occurred on a same plant. Okay. In case of the spray type, 250 flowers per meter square area can be obtained. In this picture you can clearly seen the typical harvesting or maturity indices for in case of this carnation. Okay. So again, in the brief, this is a bird stage. Okay. And this is a second day stage. After the this is the typical uh, paintbrush stage. The appearance of this flower bud is like a paint brush, that's why it is called as the paintbrush stage. And this is a open stage. So in case of gerbera, when this is the gerbera flowers, when outer 2 to 3 rows of disc florets are open and perpendicular to the stalk, this is the disc florets. The color portion is known as the disc florets, and this black one portion is known as the ray florets. Okay. Which containing the stamen and the stigma. These particular disc florets are perpendicular to the main stalk. Okay, this is the main stalk. Then flowers plucked with a gentle rotation from the base of the stem instead of cutting the stem. Before the or this rose carnation, for this harvesting purpose we required the knife or the sharp secator. But in case of gerbera we not need this knife or the secator. uh, these flowers are plucked by gently rotation from the base of the stem instead of cutting. Okay. In this picture you can see this woman can be harvested this gerbera by just a gentle rotation to the stem, and the fruit or these flower are get separated from its main plant. Okay. Harvesting done in the morning, again a very important thumb rule for the harvesting purpose. The any kind of harvesting like fruits, vegetable and the flowers are must be harvested in the morning or late in the evening. Then anthurium, this is the typical anthurium flower. Okay. For the purpose of the harvesting, in case of this harvesting of anthurium, the color changes of spadix up to 50 to 60%. In this picture you can see these the flower leaf like structure is known as spathe, and these stamen and the stigma portion is known as the spadix. In this picture this is the spadix, and the this leaf like structure is known as the spathe, or this spadix, and this is the spathe. Okay. Then stem fully hardened, the stem of these portion, this is the stem it is, or peduncle, it is known as the peduncle or the pedicel. It will be fully matured or hardened. Okay. Then florets begins to fully developed in the spadix. These spadix containing the flower portion. Okay, means stamen, stigma, pollen grains is to be fully developed. In this picture, you can see these pollen grains, or the yellow portion is shown, which is colored of the pollen grains. Okay, so these also can be harvested by typical sharp secator or the knife, a slight cut given to the end of the peduncle. Okay. Then in case of the chrysanthemum, this is the typical flower of chrysanthemum. Single cultivar are harvested when maximum number of flowers open before the shedding of the pollen from the outer rows of the disc florets. This is the disc florets, and at the center there is the ray florets. Okay. The when the chrysanthemum having a single cultivar, okay, means one stem having a only single type of the flower. Okay. In that case, the pollen grains, before the pollen grains are shedding on these disc flowers, we have to harvest the flowers. Okay. In case of these anemones cultivar are harvested before the central cushion in the topmost flower is fully developed. Again, there is 3 to 4 types of the chrysanthemum flowers, that are the single, anonymous, and the decorative type. Single cultivar is mainly they are locally available, but the anonymous and the decorative type are the cut flowers, which are used for the in the preparation of the bouquet. Okay. In this anonymous type, the central cushioning portion is to be fully developed. At that time, the chrysanthemum is harvested. But in case of this decorative type cultivar, the harvested when the petals in the center of the topmost flower is fully opened, as like in this picture, the disc flowers or disc florets are fully opened. This is all about your maturity indices of the flowers. For your examination point of view, it is very important for the examination purpose. Okay. Because frequently asked in the typical or the in the fill in the blanks, many times ask the maturity indices of some flowers.